Hello everyone, welcome to Job Simplify channel where we provide off-campus jobs and intensive opportunities for freshers as well as experienced candidates. So in this video, we will be discussing about the off-campus full-time jobs from NVIDIA, Meso, Rentokil Initial and Yash Technologies. There is no percentage criteria. All final year candidates are eligible to apply. This is a freshers hiring, so you must apply for this job. First hiring is from NVIDIA. NVIDIA is hiring for system software engineer for Pune and Bangalore location. So all new college graduate can apply for this job. This is a full-time opportunity. So the candidates who are having BE BTech, ME MTech degree in computer science engineering or related field can apply for this job. You should be having a strong command in C or C++ programming languages with a good understanding in processor architecture and fundamentals of operating system. And if you are having knowledge in scripting, then it will be an advantage for this role. So all fresh graduates can apply for this opportunity. Second hiring is from Meso. Meso is hiring for product analyst for Bangalore location. This is also a full-time opportunity where your work model will be in hybrid mode. So talking about who can apply for this opportunity, then you should be having bachelor's degree in engineering in any discipline or branches with no percentage criteria. You should be proficient in SQL with the knowledge in basic concepts of statistics and their applications. You should also have the ability to solve problems in a structured manner. Third hiring is from Rentokil Initial. They are hiring for customer care executive for Noida location. So talking about educational qualification, then you should be having bachelor's degree in any of the branches or discipline where freshers can apply for this opportunity. You should be having good interpersonal, written and verbal communication skills with a good command in speaking Hindi and English language. You should be also having basic computer skills with a knowledge in MS Word and Excel. Now talking about the benefits, then apart from the base salary, you will be also getting annual performance bonus, insurance policy, travel, reimbursement and many other benefits. So this opportunity is basically for all the fresh graduates, those who have recently completed their degree in any of the branches or discipline. So you must apply for this opportunity. Fourth hiring and the last hiring for this video is from Yash Technology. Yash Technology is hiring for trainee for Hyderabad location. So you should be having experience of 0 to 1 years with a knowledge in projects like solution design, test scripts and timesheets. You should be also having basic knowledge in management processes, tools and its methodology. So all the fresh graduates who are having experience from 0 to 1 years in any branches can apply for this opportunity. So these were the 4 hiring updates. According to your eligibility and skill sets, you must apply for all these jobs and also share with all your friends those who are in search of new off-campus jobs and intensive opportunities and you haven't watched our previous videos related to off-campus jobs and intensive opportunities, then you must watch the video and apply for this opportunity. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, thank you.